The mental game is coming into the fold early on with the service. Ahmed between. Denied at the net by the rookie.
For the wing attackers. Oh, it was Alejos rather credited with a kill.
Gutierrez choosing Alejos.
Down the middle, Royce Alejos.
Take a look at all. Bituin could not handle that one from Alejos.
Cacao, that's sent back. Saavedra sent back as well. Pump set for Espartero. Bawal ka dito, says Ateneo.
Top defenders up on the net, but that time 3 blockers. Up again.
Gutierrez trying Okeke. Why not?
Defense and offense. And the down the line angle has been a go-to for Okeke.